Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today's kind of a big one, okay? What we are going over today is a little bit of a bigger section of coding. We're going over tweening. So I was going to do some last episode, but yeah, everything got kind of messy and I got lost. Not lost with that, but lost with what was going on. So, last episode what we ended up just calling quits on was we made our level stats here, and then we made our level script. So, with all that being there, I'm going to go ahead and close some of these tabs up here. With all that being there now, we are going to work on the level server and get it going. So this is going to be a fun one, guys. Stay tuned. I made this. I don't think you guys saw me make that, but I made that whenever it was last episode. I think I might cut it out though. But all I did is I made, that's not it, it's this one. I just made a little quick label, nothing crazy. Just made the background transparency to 1, and if I go to my text, back here, you can see I just switched up some things, changed the font up, you know, all the basics. Anyway, you guys set that up however you want. I don't care. What we're doing in today's episode, though, is we're going over and we're tweening this. So, let's go ahead and let's get our level server going, guys, because this is the episode where we're gonna make this actually function. I was gonna do it last episode, but it's whatever. We're gonna do it this episode. So, without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's get into it. If you're wondering where this is at, I put it in the main GUI, even though I don't know why I did. I can name this the level label here. Level label. I guess I'll put the level server inside of the level up label instead. It makes more sense. Whoa, okay. So, let's go ahead. Let's get straight into it. We're using local scripts because this is based off the player. So, without further ado, let's get into it, guys. So, we're going to go ahead and do local player equals game.players.local player. We're going to do local level up level label equals script.parent, and then that's all we want to make move, right? Yeah, okay. And then after we get that all good, we're gonna go ahead and do local tween service equals game get service tween service. There we go. Pull the tween service. Okay, so we have that, and now we're gonna make our local tween info. Oops, which in our tween info, made lowercase because the other one is actually a function. So we're gonna do tween info dot new. So what this is doing is we're setting up the way the tween is gonna work, how it's gonna move, not the positions, but just the styles of how it's gonna move. So I'm gonna make it take 3 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and do enum dot easing style dot, and we're gonna go ahead and make it be a linear. I want to make it move at a constant speed. You guys can pick whatever you guys can try these all out. I'm not gonna go over all of that in this video. You can find a different video somewhere that shows each style. There's just too many. It would take a long time to set up and do. So we're gonna make a linear since that makes it or linear since that makes it at a constant speed. And we're gonna go ahead and do our easing direction, which then we do enum dot easing direction instead. And we'll set that to in because we wanted to move forwards, not backwards. So like that, we have our tween info set up. Now, what I want to do is I want to do local level up label tween, and now we're going to go ahead and do this. So we're going to do a tween service create. So we're going to go ahead. Our instance is the level up label. Our tween info is just tween info. We already made that. And now we're going to set up a property table. So this might look a little crazy. I'm sorry. It's really not. It's super easy. So we're going to do position position equals udim2 dot new, and now for the position, what we'll do is we'll just come down here. So put this wherever you want it to be. So for me, I'm gonna want it to be a little bit higher, about here. So this is where you want it to be by the end of it. You want it to be up here or wherever you want it to be. It don't matter. And then once you get that to where you want it to be at, we'll come over here to our level up label. We'll come down to position, and you'll just control C on that, and then we'll just go ahead and paste it on in there. So now I'm just gonna get rid of the little parentheses here. Oh, I'm not gonna get rid of that 0. Ooh, it's a little touchy. We'll get rid of that. I guess we'll get rid of that too. Oh wait, yeah, we don't need that. We do need that one actually. That completes the table. So there we go. Here is our tween for this one. We have all set up. We have where we want it to go, and that should be it, I believe. Okay, so we have a tween set up. What we're gonna do is if player, then then my level up label dot transparency we set to 1. My level up label dot, oh wait, transparency set to 1 would be visible, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? I believe so. Let me look it up. Transparency. 1 is not visible. Okay, good. That's what we want. So what I want to do is, I believe I just gotta change transparency. Am I right or am I wrong? Transparency. Text transparency. I'm sorry. Dot text transparency. Transparency equals 1. Dot position equals, and we're gonna go ahead and do UGIM2 dot new, and we're gonna go ahead and do 0.5, 0, 1.5, 0. So this will put it off the screen. We don't gotta worry about it. And if you don't want it to be there though, like I might actually move it a little further down. Oh, where's my position? Let's see here. Which one is this moving? It's moving. Oops. Dragging up and down. It's just moving that one. Okay. Sweet. So that's where I wanted to end at. So what we'll do here is actually, I'm just gonna come through here and copy this all up real fast. Control Z on that, and then Control V down here. We'll paste it in, and then I think what I'll do is I'll just put it down to 0. Maybe 0.5 won't be bad actually. Let's see where 0.5 will put us at. Long label. There it is. Oh wait, 0.5 will be in the middle of the screen. So I'm gonna put it to 1 probably. So let's put that to 1. There we go. Okay. So this is gonna be where it's at before people see it. So depending on which direction you want to move, this is where you'll put it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my spaces. Boom. Okay. So there we go. We're getting it as invisible, and we're getting it set to that. So what we're gonna do is we gotta make a new thing up here. So we're gonna do local levels equals player dot leader stats, or actually we're gonna do player dot wait for child leader stats, if I can type, wait for child levels. So we'll do levels dot change, or dot not child remove changed. We'll connect that up to a function here. We'll just make it like that. Boom. So then we will do saying if player dot leader stats dot levels dot value is greater than or equal, or that's less than, greater than or equal to 0, then I believe that's greater than, isn't it? I always get my signs confused. I don't know how I do. I've always done this forever. I believe that is the greater than sign. Yeah, it is. Okay, just making sure. I always get the signs confused. I'm starting to get a lot better with them since I started coding though. Then what we'll do is we'll do our level up tween. Oh, hold on. We won't do that yet. We won't make a play yet. What we want to do is we want to make this to where once it triggers, we'll go ahead and do level up label dot text equals, and we're gonna change the text to level, or let me see what we got here. So player achieved level 0. Okay, so we're gonna do player dot achieved level dot, and then we're gonna do the levels. So this is telling us, this is pulling the player, and this will be, I think that should be pulling the player, yeah. Player, and it'll get the achieved level text there, it'll do levels. So it'll tell me the level we got to. Sweet. So, what will then happen is we'll do, level up label dot transparency equals 1, or equals 0. I feel like I'm doing transparencies backward, I don't know why. Throws me off every time. And then we'll do, task dot weight 0.1, and then we'll do level up level tween dot play. So this will make it play. So what should happen if we try this out here? Hopefully, ideally, what should happen is we have nothing down there. Come to my players, I come over here and change my levels to 1. We should hopefully see it play, maybe not. I'm not seeing nothing play. Let's see our outputs. It's on that, I know why. I know exactly where player. Can I do player.name? I think I can. Player.name. Yeah, I can. Player.name. Those dot value. There we go. That should make it work better. So, now what should happen? We come over here, and hopefully everything works. Fingers crossed. Yeah. Oh no. We don't have text wrapped enabled, do we? But as you see, it came up. The background transparency did get changed. That's a oops on my end. So, what we're gonna do is set this to 0. We're gonna do dot text transparency equals 1. I feel like I was doing something wrong. I just didn't know what. Okay. And then, what I'm gonna also do is we're gonna come in here. Which one is it? That one? Yeah. We're gonna go here to text. We're gonna do text wrapper should be on, text scaled off. We'll come down here. Set it like 18. There we go. So, hopefully now, if we play this, we have a working one that works correctly. I love the little errors we run into. Love bug fixing. 1. Oh, what happened? I'm not seeing nothing play. Okay. 2. It's not playing now. That's not a problem. I don't know what happened there. It worked just fine a minute ago. Go back in here. Let's try again. Go ahead, do that, do that. Do that. Levels. Level 1. It should slide up. I think I'd switch around transparencies again. Oh man, I hate transparencies. Equals 0. Equals 1. Okay. Now we'll try again. I think it was just transparencies, guys. Oh, and we have the double level glitch. We had this last episode. Oh wait, I think I cut it out. No, I think I kept it. Pretty sure I kept it. I don't know, it's a weird glitch that happens sometimes. I really don't know what's up with it. Roblox Studio just be a little buggy sometimes. There we go, anyway. It says I achieved level 1. So, one thing I will recommend we do real fast is we should put spaces. Hopefully it works. I'm hoping spaces will work. I don't know, my name is really, really long, so this is some bug fixing right now, guys. No. It's staying all bunched up. Oh, I know why. I put spaces in the wrong spot. Yeah. Space there, space there. So, with these, one thing you do gotta remember is with strings, you should do spaces on the strings and not actually on the outer parts, because outer parts just ignore spaces since it's built into the code and not into the string itself. If that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. So, now it should all work. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. Now we'll just finish it up real fast. And then we'll keep it to where it's down there for a while. We'll do task.wait, and we'll do one. I think I'll make it stay about 5 seconds or so you can enjoy it. And we'll do level up label dot text transparency equals 0. I wish I could make it fade. I don't think you can though. I don't think there might be a way to make it fade. I gotta look at that afterwards. Anyway, we'll just set it to 0, and then we'll go ahead and we'll do our level up label dot position equals dim2 dot new. Oop, no slash dot new 0.416 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0. There we go. And that should be the end of it. So I wonder what happens if I get like 5 levels really fast, if it'll just keep triggering, or if it'll like make that one disappear and make a new one. I don't know. Let's see. Let's say I level up once. I'm level 1 now. Level 2. Level 3. Level 4. All I see happens is it just changes that. I hit level 5. I mean, there's no realistic way you should be leveling up that fast, but you know. Whatever scenario you do it, you know. It depends. Anyways, there we go. That's it. That's everything you guys need to know for tweening. For now, this one. I want to try and make it fade next episode, but tweening just takes a lot of time. It's very time consuming. But it's really satisfying once you get it done. So that wasn't too bad. We got tweening in our game. And this gave me a really good review because I haven't done that in a while. So that was fun. Very, very fun. Okay. It may look like a lot. It's really not too bad. Trust me guys, scripting's fun. This is where the fun part of scripting really starts, you know. This is when you start getting into more of the fun stuff, not the boring, you know, server side stuff like leader stats and all that. All this is, in my opinion, I find this really boring. But then once we get to scripting, like stuff like tweening, oh, it's fun. You can also apply tweening to objects. We'll try that in a future video. But anyways, UI needs to be built. We're gonna start going to UI, I think, here pretty soon. And then I love UI, by the way. UI is my favorite part of Roblox. I'm really big on UI. So we'll get into UI here pretty soon. We're getting more into tweening, get more into the groove of things. And then we'll get our level server going more. Right now, I mean, it's pretty solid. This is pretty solid already. We're getting each level changed and all that. But we gotta make sure, we gotta start setting up rewards and all that. And if you guys want me to, I could set up a little level track, and we can have a track of rewards on there. It'll be a lot of fun to build. It might be a long video if we do that, and we'll tween it all, make it all work correctly, do all this magic, make it look satisfying. And we'll try, I'll learn how to tween the little bar with you guys too, because I've never done that before. I haven't got that far yet. So yeah, this will be fun. And then eventually, I think I will probably later on, we'll get more into the map work. I'm not very big on building maps. I love scripting more, so there's that for you guys. But anyway, enough of me rambling. I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys have a great night. I hope this video did help with whatever you guys are trying to make. And yeah, we'll get into a lot more soon. We're getting into more fun things. Trust me, you guys will probably start liking the series a lot more now. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a great morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it is. And if you did like and enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to get 1,000, but pretty far off still. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.